and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. When you guys are seeing this video, it is going to be Monday, March the 2nd of 2026. I'm coming to you guys to kick off our new week and our new month with some crazy awesome Walmart deals. And guys, there are some crazy awesome Walmart deals. You want to get here as soon as you can because they're that good. We have crazy cheap, like, oh my goodness, like 25-cent or something laundry detergent. We have a crazy deal on cat litter. I mean, it's so rare to get deals on that, and this good of one. It's crazy. We have some really awesome Walmart cash rebates that popped up, and we just got a lot of great stuff. So it's going to be such a good video today. We're going to be talking a lot about Walmart Cash and Be Frugal Rewards today, amongst other apps, but those are the two that have really, really good new deals that popped up. If you're not familiar with either of those, I do have tutorial videos about both, so check those out. But if you're not already signed up for Be Frugal Rewards, go ahead and get signed up. It's a great time to get signed up. When you do your first offer, you get 1,500 points back, which is worth $1.50 roughly. It could be worth a little bit more depending on if you save your points up, but let's say you don't, it's worth $1.50. So it's a really great time to sign up. I have my referral link down in the description box. It's much appreciated when you guys do that. So in the description box below, I do have a link to the printable breakdown. You guys can print it out, bring it with you in the store, on your phone. It's available. Please make sure to actually watch the video. That is what helps me out and allows me to continue to bring you guys these videos each week. But I do have it down below, so you don't have to hammer everything out, unless of course you want to, which is cool as well. And also, if you guys have not already signed up for the rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I have my referral codes down below for that. So the ones that I have referral codes for. So anyways, guys, let's dive right into our Walmart deals to kick off our new week. Really, really nice deal on these Werther's caramels over here at Walmart. So they are normally $2.74, but they're on a rollback for $1.97. We have a really nice rebate with Be Frugal Rewards. It is for $3.51 back when you buy two. That is assuming you use your Be Frugal points to get a $5 gift card. Or not $5 gift card, but $5 to your PayPal. Or it could be a gift card, I guess, but $5 credit, basically. So it makes it 43 cents for two bags. So a really excellent deal for the Werther's. Another really, really good deal with Be Frugal Rewards. It's on the Arm & Hammer baking soda, the 1-pound boxes. This got even better since last month. So these guys are $1.47 at Walmart. Be Frugal Rewards has $2.47 back when you buy two, which is 2,475 points. So it makes it 47 cents for both. Oh my gosh, guys. Excited for this deal is a legit understatement. This is amazing. It's on this Arm & Hammer Clean Burst laundry detergent. It's the 43-ounce varieties. These guys are $3.84 over here at Walmart. We have a crazy high value rebate over on Be Frugal Rewards. It is actually for 7,110 points, which assuming you convert that into a $10 credit, it's going to end up coming out to $7.11 for two. That's what you'll get back. So it ends up making it 57 cents for two bottles of detergent, which is wild. So I am so excited. So excited for this deal. Be aware, we do have a $2 rebate on Ibotta. However, you cannot combine other rebates with Be Frugal Rewards per like the terms of use. So you're just want to do the Be Frugal, but hey, it's an amazing deal. So awesome. Oh my gosh, guys, we have such a crazy deal on this Arm & Hammer Dual Defense cat litter. The 14-pound varieties. These guys are actually on a rollback. They're not March, but they're on a rollback for $11.18 at Walmart. Pick up two of them. We have a crazy high value rebate with Be Frugal Rewards. You're actually going to get back $18.40 when you buy two, assuming you use your points for one $10 reward and one $5 reward, and then the rest going towards the $5 reward. I know that's kind of confusing, but that's how the math works. So it's 17,400 points on two, so it makes it $3.96 for both, or $1.98 each, which is out of this world for cat litter. I did a community tab post recently with like saying, hey, what things do you have a hard time getting deals on? And definitely people said cat litter. This is for you. It's amazing. There is a coupon on some of them. Unfortunately, you can't combine that with Be Frugal. But this is such a great deal. So really exciting. All right, so check your Ibotta for this rebate on the Glade small space kits because the rebate actually now works on the ones that Walmart sells. So these guys are $2.98. We have a $2 rebate over on Ibotta. So after that, it makes it 98 cents. So a really nice deal for the Glade at Walmart. All right, guys, a really good deal on the Febreze Midnight Storm car clips. So it's like this. It's just a single count. Walmart sells that variety for $2.97. We have a really nice Walmart cash offer. It's for $3.50 back if you buy 2. So after that, it's going to end up making it just $2.44 for both, or like $1.22 each. So a really good deal on those. All right, so a really great deal on this, like Rinse Aid, Cascade Rinse Aid. This is $4.94 over here at Walmart. Super high value rebate for $3 back with Walmart cash. So after that, it's just gonna make it $1.94. So pretty great deal compared to the great value. That's $3.48 for the same size. So really good deal. All right, guys, really good deal for these Dawn Power Wash refills. So if you like the Dawn Power Wash, this is a great time to grab these. So these guys are $3.94 for the refills at Walmart. We have a really nice rebate with Walmart cash. It is for $4 back when you buy 2. So after that, it's going to end up making it just $3.88 for both. So a really nice deal for these. Because yeah, this is pretty good stuff. So nice deal if you want it. All right, moneymaker deal for the win here on this Herbal Essence, the lightweight hair oil. This is on clearance. It's $2.50 down from $9.84. We have a really, really nice rebate with Walmart cash. It's actually to get back $4 on one of these. So after that, it's going to end up making it free plus $1.50 moneymaker. So really, really nice find if you can find it still at your Walmart. All right, guys, make sure you check your store for Aussie that is marked down. Unfortunately, all gone at my store, but it's a really good deal if you can find it. It's on like the Waves varieties. So they're normally $4.97, but they're on clearance for just $3. We have a really nice Walmart cash offer. It's for $5 back when you buy 2. So after that, it makes it $1 for both, or 50 cents each, which is a really great deal. So definitely check for that. So another really good clearance find to look for. It's on the Pantene. It's the flexible strength hairspray, which they're all out of, sadly, but it's on clearance. It's normally $5.97, but it's marked down to just $2.50, and we do have $1.50 Walmart cash. So it ends up making it just $1, which is a really good deal for some hairspray. So be on the lookout for that at Walmart. And unfortunately, I thought this one might be $3.50. No, it is full price, so just in the wrong spot, but a really good deal. So a good deal to check for is the Cheez-It Crunched. These guys at Walmart at my store are marked down to $2 on clearance, and there's just $1 Peely coupon, like right here on the product. So it doesn't get much easier than that. It'll just make these $1 each. So a really good deal for these. All right, guys, guess what is back again? More Pedigree. So the Pedigree dog food, we have the wet pouches. These are on rollback for 84 cents. And then we also have the Pedigree Drizzlers that are just 84 cents every day. 2 separate deals, 25-cent rebates popped up on Ibotta for each of these, so it ends up making them 59 cents a pouch, which is a really good deal and a good item to get, multiple towards your bonus for cheap. So, really nice. All right, so we got some really excellent deals for lunch meat. So we have the Sara Lee products. So the first one here is on the Sara Lee Maple Honey Turkey. You're going to want to get about 1/4 pound around there. It's $6.44 a pound, so 1/4 pound comes out to be $1.62. We have a $1 rebate on Ibotta for the Sara Lee Maple Honey Turkey. It has no size restrictions or anything like that, so it makes it 62 cents. Then there's a separate rebate for several of them, but it includes the honey ham, which is the cheapest one that I can find a part of it. It's $8.47 a pound, so if you get 1/4 pound of that, so with the $1.50 rebate, it makes it 61 cents. So some really good deals on lunch meat. I mean, you're getting 1/2 pound of lunch meat if you get both of those for $1.23, which is insane. So definitely good, and that's 2 towards your bonus. So a really nice deal. All right, so a really nice deal here for this Life Cider sparkling drink stuff. These guys are on rollback right now at Walmart for $1.97, down from $2.48. We have a really nice rebate on Ibotta. It's $1.97 back when you buy 2. So basically, it's buy one, get one free. So you're going to get 2 of these for $1.97. So a really nice deal. All right, so super excited to report that our deal for the Dove Crumble Soap got even better since the last video, or the last Walmart video on Monday. But the Dove Crumble Soap, this is $3.97. We have a really nice rebate over on Shopkick. It is actually now worth let me check my notes here. It is now actually worth $2.94, which is 735 kicks between Buy It and Scan Kicks, making it $1.03 for the soap. And these actually smell really good, so definitely a good price. Guys, awesome deal here on the Hillshire Farm lunch meat. Select ones, make sure you read through the rebate because it does exclude some. Like, it doesn't work on the honey turkey, unfortunately. It works on the oven roasted turkey, honey ham. They're select ones, so let's make sure you read through it. But they're $3.97 at Walmart. Swagbucks has $5 back when you purchase 2. So after that rebate, it literally makes them $1.47 each, which is absolutely amazing. So a great deal. All right, guys, really nice deal at Walmart on some Hillshire Farm smoked sausage. So we have the regular smoked sausage and the Polska stuff here. Certain ones, they're $3.76. We have a rebate over on Swagbucks. The rebate is for $4 back when you buy 2. So in the end, it makes it $3.52 for both, or $1.76 each. So a really good deal. But again, like the lunch meat, make sure you read through it because there's only certain ones that are actually included on the rebate. So be aware of that, but great deal. All right, so not a bad deal on Mitchum deodorant, especially because it has the roll-on deodorants, which we don't really get roll-on deodorant deals too often. It's a lot harder to get it on roll-on, in my opinion. So Walmart does sell the Mitchum, like 1.7-ounce roll-on deodorants. These guys are $3.98. We have a $2 rebate on Ibotta that does include these, so it ends up making it $1.98. So a pretty good deal if that is something that you use. Alright guys, so like after this Walmart video, oh my gosh, those deals with Be Frugal, it's insane. So you're going to get over here and check these out. But anyways guys, that's all I got. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.